Hi, I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement sight glass in the clutch hydraulic reservoir on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT750C. Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I tried removing the screws with a Phillips screwdriver, and both of them are pretty well stripped. So I'm going to have to drill them out. And I'm going to drill them to the size of what the replacement screw should be. So this is the kit that I got. I will include a link to it in the description. I got these off of eBay. Came with the sight glass, a washer, O-ring, and 2 screws. Okay, this is a 3/32 drill bit. This is an 1/8 inch drill bit. Try it. Okay, that took the head of it right off. Took the head right off of that one. And with any luck, we didn't do any damage to the cover. I've never had this off, so I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna look like. It looks pretty bad. Let's see if I can get those screws out. Soak up any extra brake fluid. Okay, that's about the smallest drill bit that I have. This is the smallest extractor that I have. It's turning. There's one. That one's not turning. That one's turning now. There's the other one. Look down on that. Spray a little brake clean in there. Carb cleaner will work also. Cover this up. Try to remove all of this without dropping anything down in there, which is going to be tough. Yeah, I see a little bit down in there. I'm going to get another paper towel. think that's a metal screw, so if I put a magnet in there, I should be able to get anything else out of there. I think it's probably a steel screw. There is some residue down in there. No, that fell off too. Okay, a little bit out of there. And then this. Should go down over there. I think like so. In there. I don't know how that popped out so easily. The sight glass is right here, and I'm going to try to knock it out. The other ones I did broke. It looks like the ring came out with it. There's the sight glass. There's an O-ring in here, along with this metal ring. That metal ring has got to come out yet. I think this is about the smallest punch that I have. Try a couple different punches. This one's got kind of a point to it. That one's stuck. we go. And the piece of plastic that was left behind. Okay, it seems to be pretty clean. And put a little bit of oil on this O-ring. Now, that'll go in like that. What I'm going to do is put a clamp over this carefully, C-clamp. And hopefully tighten it in. Okay, I think I have it in. Might be out a little bit at the top. When I tapped on it a number of times, I couldn't get the seat in anymore. So I'm hoping it doesn't leak. What I ended up using was this 14mm 1/4 inch socket, and I just put it over top of there and tapped it carefully until it seated, and it doesn't seem like it's coming out now. Some of this DOT 3 synthetic brake fluid. I'm gonna fill up the reservoir, see if she leaks. Hopefully it doesn't. It should go that way. This hole's out. There we go. Should be good. That'll do it for installing a replacement sight glass in the clutch master cylinder of this 1983 Honda Shadow VT 750C. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.